welcome back. Today's video, you're going to learn how to make your very own sign for your camper. First, you're going to go to a craftware store or a hardware store and buy a pallet sign. Then you'll have to buy some paint. You can go to any hardware store and buy the paint. It took me 3 coats. I did 2 one day and let it dry real good, and then I did another coat the next day. And make sure it's completely dry before you add the stencils. When you're doing your sign, make sure to put newspaper down. And when you're spraying, do one word at a time. Make sure there's tape down and then spray. It's going to take you more than one time to spray over all the words. So you see the RVing, it goes spray, 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 spray. Well, you can't see any of the white. All you see is the color you choose for the spray. After the spray paint dries, this is what the first letters of what you're going to spell is going to look like. Next, let's just say you want to do another word. So let's say happy camper is what you want to put. You'll put the camper down as your second one, and you'll put the newspaper down, spray, spray, spray. Make sure your first word is covered so it won't get messed up. I got the alphabet letters from a craft store. They have any size you want. They also have stencils. After it dries, you'll peel the newspaper off very slowly, and it should show your second word. Let's just say you want to do a stencil. So like the YouTube sign, you would find the picture on a computer, and then you'll cut it out and then put it under tape. Then you'll spray it like the words spray, spray, spray. It might just take longer to dry. It might take a day. Then the next day you can take the tape off and it should show. This is my final sign. I hope with this video it helped you know how to make your own sign, and I hope it turns out amazing. And thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for new videos. Bye!